Healthy snackies here, you see? They wouldn't jump. If there is bread, they would jump. But they like seeds. Just they are going inside my bag instead and they are eating. We have here first one, second one. You see? Adepts. But we must share, sharing. Look at this one. This one is numbered, this one is young one. Brown one, look. You see, gorgeous. Gorgeous. They are killing each other now. Here, sharing.